Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Aniqah Sabrina. You can call me Nika. Today, I will make a house tour video. So, let's get started. Check it out. This is my house. The appearance of my house from the front. You can see there are lots of plants there. This is my terrace and my garage too. There are 2 armchairs and a glass table. Usually, this is where my father parked his car. On the right side, there are lots of flowers neatly arranged by my mother. There is a little faucet water. There are my brother's green and black bicycle, and this pink one was my bicycle when I was little. Now I don't use it anymore. And on the left, there are 2 motorbikes belonging to my father and my older cousin. Now let's come inside to my house. This is my living room. There are 4 armchairs, 3 sofas, and 2 long tables. On the wall, there are 7 pictures and a big clock. This is the family room. Usually, my family spends time here together. There are a television, my brother's toys, carpet, pillows, my brother's cupboard, a fan, pictures such as photos when I was little. There are 3 bedrooms in my house. It is a guest room, but usually my father uses it. And this is my parents' room with my brother too, but I can show it because it's their privacy. Next, this is a relaxing room. There are a dispenser, 2 armchairs, a tall clothes hanger, and a glass cupboard. There are 2 bedrooms in my house. This is one of them. The other is in my parents' room. Inside, there are 3 buckets, scoop, squat toilet, soap, and shampoo, and toothbrush and toothpaste. And this is my room. There are study table and cupboard with baby picture. This was bought by my mother when I was still in elementary school, maybe in grade 2, so don't be surprised when it has a baby picture. There is a small table for storing items such as bags. And there are a bed and air conditioner. And this is an open room. There is a washing machine, and my mother dry hair too. There is also a well, and this is also where the dishes are usually washed. The last room, this is my kitchen and my dining room. There are several objects for cooking, such as a stove, pan, frying pan, refrigerator, dispenser, lots of plates and glasses, and other objects. There are 2 cupboards to store objects too. There are a long dining table and 4 chairs for eating. On the table, lots of spoons and forks, rice cooker, hand towel holder, food cover, ceramic container for storing food. That is my grandmother's house. I'm not going to tour it because it's not my house. So, thank you for watching guys. Please forgive any less or more. Goodbye.